Just a progress update. The base plate was populated a couple nights ago. Right now I'm in the process of trying to do some wiring. I've focused on the transformer first. We have the soft start module here with primary and secondary. I'm not sure if this one has to be here or maybe we're right beside that one. We're waiting to find out. Comes to here, the transformer has a screen to the chassis here. There are four secondaries, blue, green, blue, green, and then blue, green, blue, green. So I guess there's, four secondaries, 8 wires total. So what I did is we've got blue, green, so blue is primary, green, blue is the center tap virtual, and then green is the last one. So you'll see that we have that center tap comes right through to this point. The blue, the initial blue comes up to an AC connection on Avondale's FWB2 board here. This is AC. You can see in there it says AC. Similarly, the green comes up and goes down to AC there. And then we have negative here, goes up through, down, and up to this point on the negative. And similarly, we have positive here, goes up through to the positive side. So this is fully linked up. Before I actually turn this on, I'll pull those off and confirm voltages and such on the AC side before applying the actual voltage to the capacitors. The exact same thing here, so a little bit more convoluted, but again, blue, green, with a center blue-green coming up, and it is the center tap virtual. The blue comes up to, the first one up to the AC here, and then comes off positive over to here. Same situation here. The green on this side goes to the AC down there, in the front of this little board, that guy, and then comes off as negative over here, and then up to negative side here. So I think we're to the point where I probably could pop the back on and wire something up to the ISS, but I've actually not yet drilled the screw, the hole for the switch in the front here. So if we want this to be switched, I could always just rig up another switch to the ISS here. And this is the intelligent soft start from Neurochrome. This, for reference, is a James transformer model. It is 1,000 volt amps. As I say, 4 secondaries. Each secondary is 28 volts, which should get pretty close to 40 volts DC after rectification and smoothing. We have lots of capacitors. We've got two 15s and a 13 here. Same on the other side, two 15s and a 13 for each of these 4 rails. I'm probably going to attach some additional capacitors here as well, and here I'm going to probably put some bypass in. I need to fit a feed resistor in. I'm not sure where I'm going to run the DC. I'm thinking this one's going to be for this module, so I can just come straight down off of here. I'll probably connect it all off of this bar right here and then go up and over and down and through. That one's easy. This guy's a bit more complicated because we could go off of the center bar here, but we want to get down there. So, and I don't want to come back this direction and go past all this AC noise here. So at the very least, I would go kind of over and maybe down and then skirt along the bottom and then up into there. We will see. Anyway, we are making progress.